Hey everyone, let's unbox these Baofeng walkie-talkies. Inside, we've got two chargers for the walkie-talkies. Here are the handy pocket clips and carrying straps. We've also got these antennas and batteries. Now, the main stars, the walkie-talkies themselves. There are 3 buttons at left side and 2 ports at the right side. Let's quickly set them up. Power on. Listen to that clarity. Notice the LED light. It works up to 550 meters in my tests, but they claim that these works up to 2 to 3 kilometers. Testing connectivity, red and green lights show we're connected. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tech gadgets. Let's dive into the world of the new PlayStation 5 Slim. First up, the essential HDMI cable. Here's the USB Type-C cable and the 2-pin power cable, powering our gaming sessions. Check out the sleek DualSense controller, designed for an immersive experience. These little stands will keep our PS5 secure and stylish. Included are the guidebook, safety instructions, and warranty, always handy. And here's the star. The PlayStation 5 Slim, securely packed and just waiting to be explored. Feast your eyes on this beauty. 2 Type-C ports, power button up front, and more at the back. All set. The PlayStation 5 Slim is about to redefine our gaming. Don't forget to like and subscribe for tech unboxing. Hey everyone, excited about the Watch Car toy? Look at this mystery box. Diving in, we find the Watch Car band, super sleek. Next, a charging cable and Chinese instructions. Adds a bit of international flair to our unboxing, doesn't it? Let's hope my high school Mandarin classes come in handy. The Watch Car band, it looks super cool. Check out the band and the nestled little car. You can open this lid from this side button. It's got a metal body, a bit hefty, with a charging port and on-off switch. I'm popping in the battery. The band has 2 buttons, forward and reverse. Battery in, light syncing, and it's connected. Testing, works like a dream. That's the Watch Car toy for you. Loved it? Like, subscribe, and comment. See you soon. Hey everyone, today, we're unboxing the AMVR facial interface for the Quest 3. Let's dive in. Here's the package. Oh, look, a thank you note from AMVR shop. Now, let's see what's inside the box. First up, we have this ice silk fabric pad. It feels incredibly soft and comfortable. And here's the main attraction, the facial interface, complete with a nose cover and a pre-attached leather pad. Instructions are at the bottom, always handy for a smooth setup. Replacing it on your Quest 3 is a breeze. First, unclip the headband from the Quest 3. Remove the old pad. Now, grab the new AMVR interface. Align and snap it in place. Voila, a perfect fit. And we're done. Just unclip, swap, and you're ready to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hey there! Excited to unbox the Haute Parleur Bluetooth speaker. Let's dive right in. Oh, a little something extra here. Nice, a USB charging cable included. Instructions in both languages. Always useful. And here's the star of the show, the speaker itself. Look at this sleek design. Check out this cool volume knob with its own cover and these snazzy buttons here. We've got an SD card port, AUX input, and a DC-5V charging port. All the essentials. Loved unboxing this with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And wait, let's hear how it sounds, shall we? Hey everyone, super excited to unbox the mini portable thermal printer with you all today. First up, we've got the USB Type-C charging cable. Here comes the main star, the printer itself, neatly wrapped. But first let's check the instructions. Now, shall we? Check out this paper roller compartment. Pretty neat. Let me give you a quick tour. Here's the charging port on the left, and look at this sleek on/off button. And my favorite part, this adorable cat logo at the back. Let's peel off this sticker. Really impressed with the build quality here. It feels solid. Now, let's see it in action. I'm going to use the app to take a picture of the printer. Watch this, printing the photo we just took. It takes like 30 to 40 seconds to print this type of camera images, and it also prints only in black and white. And here's the result. How cool is that? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more unboxings and tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.